My name is Anu Kohli and I live in Delhi with my family, in joint family, and I'm a recruiter by profession. We were searching some of the sites for our kitchen renovation, then we came across to Ultrafresh and then we contacted them. We went to few vendors and all that, but we liked their idea of Ultrafresh, and then we discussed the rates and everything, the budgets. Then if everything was fine, then we moved further with them. If you definitely talk about the woodwork, we got it done earlier. It was from a local carpenter. So definitely there were so many defaults and all that. Like the hinges were loose. They were started pulling it out because there was a breakage due to the termites and all that. So then we thought of going to the steel material and all. This is why we have chosen this. I think I would like to say the pantry is very nice. It's full of space. So you can keep a lot of things there. So this is what I like most about this. Everybody liked it a lot. The material, the color combinations and everything. Definitely they can have a look at the kitchen and then they might get convinced. They have told us the process of 45 days. 30 days of their processing at their factory and then 2-3 days of assembling the kitchen at our place and then fixing up also, which took around 40-45 days to us. I can only say that I can love as of now, enjoying the time as much as I can spend. It was definitely good after getting done after such a long time. The renovation was done. It was definitely a good experience.